To set up the Xiaomi Smart Camera C701, you're going to need to ensure that you have two things done. You need to ensure that the Xiaomi Home app has been installed onto your phone, and you can do so by opening either the Google Play Store or the App Store on your device, searching for Xiaomi Home, and then installing the app. The next thing is to ensure that your camera is connected to a power source. So again, you're going to use the dedicated charging head and cable to connect your camera to a power source. Once you've properly inserted this cable into the camera, bear in mind it will automatically turn on after a couple of, like a minute or so. So you're going to have to just wait patiently as it gets connected to the power source and turns on. You should also see an indicator light telling you that it's successfully connected to our power source, so just continue waiting patiently as it continues turning on. It will go through a calibration process where the camera just turns around as it gets its bearings.
Please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the body labeled and the configuration interface.
And then from there, you're going to go ahead and open up the Xiaomi app. Ensure that you're signed in with your account. And then under Xiaomi Home, tap on Add the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add a device. As long as you've given the Xiaomi app the specific connection permissions needed, it should automatically detect your smart camera. If it doesn't, you can tap on Scan QR code and scan the QR code located on the camera so that you can be able to add the device. So go ahead and select your camera and then confirm which Wi-Fi network you want to connect it to. And then enter in the password for that specific Wi-Fi network. And then tap on Next. Wait for it to connect to your smart camera and then give it the necessary permissions and then scan the QR code. If there's no QR code available, you can always just tap on Add manually. But that means entering in the pairing code that's announced by the camera to complete the verification. So you can go ahead and tap on Back if you're not receiving that. So you choose whichever method you would like to use. So to scan the QR code, simply turn your camera upside down and then scan the QR code located down here. Once you've successfully scanned the QR code, it will continue connecting. And then the connection should be established, so just wait patiently.
Pairing to account completed. Device online.
And then wait a few moments. And once you've done that, you can see you can now start customizing your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. So for example, you can create a new room that you want monitored. You can go ahead and enter in the room or create your whole new room. It's up to you. And just start customizing your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701 to your preferences. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.